everyone. We are pleased to have with us the mother of Zenish, Mrs. Shumaila Khan, who is an outstanding parent, a pillar of support and encouragement. She always stands by us and wholeheartedly, ma'am, always recommend Baby's Day Out to other parents. We are thankful to you for your unwavering support, love and trust. Now let's hear from Shumaila ma'am about her experiences and thoughts, and let's go ahead. Ma'am, please tell me how Baby's Day Out is different from others.
The first thing I would love to tell about Baby's Day Out is the atmosphere, because I'm very happy with the atmosphere, as Zenish is very comfortable here and mashallah I can see the growth. So that is the reason I prefer Baby's Day Out, and I refer all the parents that it is very safe and you can see the growth in your child. So that is the reason I like Baby's Day Out.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, are you satisfied with the activities?
Yeah, definitely. I'm definitely satisfied with the activities, because it's like, comparatively different from other schools and other places that I can see around this area only.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's very different, and yes, I am happy with the.
This is so nice of you, ma'am. Ma'am, do you find our plan activities are engaging and beneficial for Zenish?
Yes, it is. That is the reason I'm extending the time period of Zenish, because as you already know that she got the admission in St. Joseph's, but still I'm trying that she should spend more and more time here so she can learn more.
मैम, एज यू नो, जो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट है वो होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है. हम लोग बच्चों को एकेडमिकली भी डेवलप करते हैं, बट हम उनकी सारी को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज जैसे कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स है, फाइन मोटर है, वो सारा कुछ डेवलप करते हैं. तो आप उस चीज से खुश हैं कि यहाँ पे आके बच्चा आपका कॉपी पेंसिल बाद में उठा रहा है, पहले वो एक्टिविटीज के थ्रू उसका डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है?
Actually, I think that it is a kind of therapy, because these days I can see that children are autistic and they are not speaking properly. So these are the therapies that different institutions are taking a lot from parents for these kind of activities. So it's like a combination of education and these holistic activities.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's very good, and I recommend all the parents that please trust Sumayya ma'am, as you can trust her blindly, and I can see the growth and the atmosphere, and the most important thing is different timings. It's the unique thing about Baby's Day Out.
एंड मैम, एक चीज बताइए जो आपको बेबीज डे आउट की बहुत अच्छी लगती है. ऑल्दो आपने बहुत कुछ बताया, आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू, बट एक चीज जो बहुत खास बनाती है हमारे बेबीज डे आउट को.
You?
So sweet of you. And मैम, आपने कुछ चीज जेनिश में कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट देखा, बिहेवियर चेंज या डेवलपमेंट ग्रोथ के हिसाब से?
As I told you before also, that the main reason of Zenish, I have extended her hair, because she was not able to socialize with people. She was like very shy. So
Yes,
that is the reason I have sent her hair, so that she can learn more things and she can socialize with people.
अब हो रही है ना माशाल्लाह.
वो मतलब बहुत अच्छे से माशाल्लाह उसमें ये चेंज आया है कि वो लोगों से मिलने लगी है, किसी को देख के डरती नहीं है, अब मुंह नहीं छुपाती. मैं उससे कहती हूँ जेनिश कम ऑन, सलाम करिए, से हेलो, से हाय. सो शी लाइक ओके, हेलो, हाय. यस्टरडे ओनली द सेम थिंग हैपन. मेरे घर पे गेस्ट आए, अननोन बिल्कुल, बट शी वाज लाइक ओके, सलाम किया, ग्रीट किया उनको. सो माशाल्लाह उस पर वो चेंज है. वो ही रीज़न मेन था जो मैंने उसे यहाँ पे भेजा था. एंड ज़हीर, you don't trust anybody, but you're like, no, Sumayya can do it.
That's so sweet of you and your husband. Thank you so much, मैम, आपने अपना टाइम दिया, एंड वी रियली अप्रिशिएट कि मैम आप हमेशा बेबीज डे आउट को रिकमेंड करती हैं दूसरे पेरेंट्स को, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ यू वही होता है कि मैम माउथ पब्लिसिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड यस मैम, indeed it is working, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Grateful to you. Thank you.